What's up, you guys? It's your girl Keira, and I'm back with another video. Today's video will be how to make money as a teen. I'm going to be giving you all the different ways, tips, and tricks on how you can make money as a teen. I am currently 15 years old, and I'm making money as a teen. So I'm going to sit here and give you all the advice you need, and tips, and tricks, and apps, and all that stuff, so you can make money as a teen. But without further ado, we're going to get right into this video. Before we get into this video, I would like for y'all to follow my socials. As y'all can see, it should be up on the screen. I'm not sure. But if you would like to earn a shout out, it'll be down in the description box on how you can earn a shout out on my channel. I do post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I will be posting, working on my schedule and coming up with banger content for y'all. Because I know I'm being consistent, so I'm coming out with some content for y'all. So y'all be ready for this content, because it's going to be coming out. First thing first is doing online surveys. I don't know what specific websites and stuff you can do them on, but you can do online surveys and make money from them. I've been hearing about it a lot, and I never did. Me personally, I never did it because I have other ways I can make money. But doing an online survey. Second thing is becoming an Instagram promoter. So what I mean is, if you have an Instagram account and you have over 2,000 followers or whatever, you could be a promoter. You could pay people to promote and all that stuff. I'm not sure how it works because I have an Instagram, but I just don't do it. I'm not fully sure on how it works, but you can become my Instagram promoter. Third thing is get a job. Get a job. Yes, a job. I have a job now. I'm working at Six Flags. If y'all have not watched my video, get ready to me first day at work, Six Flags, then I suggest y'all to watch the video. The card will be up on one of these. Up here somewhere. To that video, and I will have it down in the description box as well. So if you have not seen that video, then please go check it out. But yes, I work at Six Flags. I currently work at Six Flags now. So yeah, you could get a job anywhere: McDonald's, Target, Staples, Checkers, Waffle House, anywhere. Just find you a job. So to make money and all that stuff. So that's another way you can make money. Number 4 is to sell your homework answers. If you're a good student and you make straight A's, or you're an A/B honor roll student, but your grades still be good and decent and everything, you could sell your homework answers to other people. Well, I never did this, but I'm thinking about doing it, but then again, I'm still debating. But if I wanted to, I can sell my homework answers if I wanted to, but I just don't. But that's another option. Sell your homework answers to those who need help, want the answers to the test, quiz, or whatever y'all have. Or, I think it's a website, or you can make your own website and sell answers. I don't know how it is, but you can sell your homework answers. Number 5, start an online shop. What I mean is, you can start an online business and all that stuff, and sell different items and accessories and all that stuff. So start an online shop. Babysitting. You can make money off babysitting. I know before I moved up here to Maryland, I was babysitting one of my neighbors children for about, I know I babysitted at least twice, and I babysitted her friend's child as well along with hers because they wanted to go out and have a little fun. So I made a good decent amount for babysitting. I think it was 4, usually 4 or 3 children that I was babysitting. And you can babysit, make you some flyers and be like, I'm available. Or you can post on your socials and all that stuff, or account or some type of website or something. But babysitting is another way you can earn money as a teen and make money. So mow the lawn for other people. I know y'all females don't be want to do this, but if I had to, if I wanted some money and all that stuff, I probably would have did this. But you can mow other people's yards, cut their grass, front yard, trim the trees, plant and all this stuff. Just a landscaper. So you can make money off of that as well. This go for all the males. I know they be doing this to make money. So mow other people's yarn yarn. Mow other people's yard if they don't want to mow it, or so you could just mow other people's yard. Next thing is start a YouTube channel. As y'all can see, I have a YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel, so I just want to pass it along to everybody else. And I want to be an influencer and to inspire people. I also want to be an entrepreneur and everything. But you can start a YouTube channel to make money. But I suggest y'all not start a YouTube channel just for the money. If you really like to create content and edit and all that stuff, then I suggest y'all to make a YouTube channel, which I have did. And right now I'm really liking it because I'm enjoying making these videos for y'all. But it's really hard for me to try to stay consistent during the time with editing, filming, coming up with content, editing, and thumbnails and all that stuff. So just bear with me, but I'm trying to come out with some content. Definitely something to try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, it depends if I want to upload on them days. There might just be just random videos I upload. I might just upload a random video either one of them days, but it's mainly going to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So yeah, you can start a YouTube channel to make money as well, but I suggest not to do it just for the money. Do it because you want to do it and that you would love to do make content and edit and all that stuff. So start a YouTube channel. Next thing is sell food, candy, and accessories. So if bake cookies, and all that brownies, all that stuff, you can sell it at school. Sneakers and all that stuff. As what is called Twisters, Sour Patches, Skittles, and all that stuff. You can sell them different types of things at school. You could do a little lemonade stand outside your house, so lemonade and all that stuff, iced tea. I see a lot of people doing this: accessories, purses, shoes, socks, jewelry, all these different types of stuff, keychains and all that. You can make money off of it. Same way of starting your business, which another thing I was going to talk about. You can start your own business and sell foods and accessories and candy and all that stuff. So that's another way you can make money as a teen, is starting food, selling food and all that. So that's a good way to make money as a teen. You can do car washes, wash people's cars and all that stuff. You could do it at a gas station or somewhere. I don't know. You just gotta find a place that lets you do it, or you could do it at your house, or I don't know, but just whatever you feel like doing it at. But you can do car washes and make a good amount of money on that. Depends on how many cars you have and how much you charge. and everything. So yeah, you can make money. You can sell old items out your closet, or items that you have not used, or items that you have bought and never wore. You can make a page on Instagram and sell it. You can use Pinterest, eBay, Etsy. I think you can use those apps, and you can sell your items and get money off of it. Same with Facebook. I think it's like a home and trade thing, or whatever it's on whatever thing called. You could post your items on there, whatever you want to sell or get rid of, and you can sell it to other people. Sometimes you have to meet up with the people to see if they're able to fit it and all that stuff. Even though you have the size up there, you know, some sizes, you know how people are, they want to try it on first or stuff before they actually buy it from you or whatever. But yeah, you can sell your stuff on eBay, Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, if I have not said that already. But yeah, you can sell your items on them. Next thing is become a dog walker. If you're not allergic to dogs or any type of pets, you can babysit people's pets and be a dog walker. That means walk people dogs, take them to the park or whatever, and all this stuff, and watch people dogs. So like if you have a neighbor and they're going out but they don't want to bring their dog, or they can't bring their pet or whatever, you can keep it and charge them for it, but don't charge them as much. But you could charge them for, well, it depends on how long they're going and all that, but you could charge to be a dog walker, walk people dogs and all that. Next thing is start doing hair and nails. If you know how to do hair and nails, then I would suggest y'all do other people's hair and nails. If you're really good and everything, you could make good money off of, like I see a lot of females making a lot of good money off of it. I know how to do hair. I do not know how to do everything, but I know how to do hair and everything because my mom does hair. And I don't know how to do nails. I want to learn how to do nails and everything, but you could do hair and nails, and you could charge for it. Or you could start your own hair salon or nail salon and all that stuff. But hair and nails and all that stuff, you can make a good amount of money on it, because people be trying to find other people who know how to do hair and nails, which really don't be charging as much, but you know, about around the price range they want to pay for their hair and nails. So you can start your hair and nails account thing. If you do, I would say make an Instagram account and post all your pictures and all the people hair and all that stuff you did on that Instagram account, because you could get more people to come to you like that if you promote it and all that stuff, and you get to tell them to tag you in their pictures and all that stuff. So that's another way you can get more customers for doing hair and nails. If you tell them to tag you in the post and pictures and all that stuff, what their hair did and their nails and stuff. Next thing is clean people's houses. You could clean people's houses and all that stuff and charge for it. Some people might not want to do this, but you can go around cleaning people's houses. You can make a lot of money on it and everything. Some people do have maids that clean their houses and pay them for it. I don't know, but still, you could clean people's houses and make money. It's not gonna hurt to clean anybody else's houses. It might not be as clean as your house or whatever, but at least if it's not, you could charge extra, however you feel. So I would say clean people's houses. Last thing I honestly have is tutoring people that need help with a certain subject and all that stuff. You could tutor them and have a website set up for tutoring or whatever, so they can fill it out, so you can have a certain date that they're going to get tutored, a certain what subject is about and all that stuff. But you could tutor people. There's a lot of people around here that be needing to be tutored and needs help with their work and assignments and all that stuff. So this goes right along with selling your homework answers. You could tutor them, but if they still don't get it and they just don't feel like doing it, you could just sell them your answers and they have to pay you for it or whatever. But tutoring people is another good thing or suggestion. Another way you can make money is that app. Well, this wasn't, tutoring people wasn't my last thing, but my last thing is, well, no, I have 2 more things. The other 2 more things you could do is watch TikTok videos on an app called Zine. It's spelled Z-Y-N-N, I believe, or Z-Y-N, I don't know exactly. I'm gonna have it up on the screen, but you can watch TikTok videos and you can earn money like that, such as like gift cards and all this stuff, I believe, like that. And you could, if you have a friend or somebody that has that app, they can refer you to that app, and you can use their code, and both of y'all will earn money if you use that, your friend's code or whatever. It was referred to me by a friend, and I used their code, and I believe we earn like about $5, $10 or something like that. I don't know, but you can earn money from watching TikTok videos, which really is my voice is cracking, but which really is amazing to me, because it's, you just watching their videos and just liking them, and that's pretty much it, and you're earning money from it. The next thing is Fetch Rewards. You can earn money and coupons and other stuff using this app. All you have to do, every time you go to the store or buy something, you scan that receipt. You scan that receipt for that store and you put it inside the app. So how it works is, once you download the app and all that stuff, you can scan that receipt and everything, and you will make money from it. So I've been using this because my granny, which is my mom's mom, she referred me to it, and ever since she did that, I've been earning points. I only use it twice to buy things. I use it for my PlayStation, for the PlayStation Plus, and I used it for something else, which I really don't know what it was. But that's another way you could earn money as a teen. But I hope y'all really liked this video. I know it wasn't as interesting or wasn't as much, but I did give y'all a few different tips and tricks and different ways you can earn money as a teen. You can earn money any type of way and all of that, but just the right way. Hope y'all liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I know I did not say this in the beginning of the video, to like, comment, and subscribe, but I know y'all seen a little subscribe button and the thumbs up button on the screen though. We're lit and popping over here. I'm getting better. So also, I want to thank y'all for getting me to 50 subscribers. I'm halfway there to 100 subscribers, and I'm really happy on how far I am coming. So thank y'all for 50 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, I'll be back with another banger video.